Hello, hi friends. For our reading this week, we are going to be reading a story called Wake Up. And during this reading time, you'll be reading along with me, just like we were at school and you were sitting at my table and putting your fingers under the words, and we'll be sounding out words and reading and using sight words. In this story, I wanted to show you, we're going to see a lot of this A consonant E pattern. That's our vowel pattern this week. And we have learned that the E, when that magic E is on the end, it makes the A say its name. So when we see A consonant E words, we know that the A is going to say its name and the E is going to be quiet. Okay, the other thing that I want to show you before we start reading is, here's our new sight words this week. So we have H-E-L-P, help, and T-O-O-2. Okay, so we're starting on the right side, which is kind of different, but the title of the book is up there in red. It says, Wake, wake, up, up. Okay, friends, go ahead and put your finger under the first word down here in the corner, and we're going to start sounding out and reading together, okay? So, wake up, wake up, Jane and Kate had a nap. Okay, over here, put your finger under the first word. Jane and Kate gaze up. Can they run in the sun? It is not safe. Okay, other side. We're over here. Kate can dig in. Jane can help. Help is our new sight word. You see that word in yellow? Help. Kate dig in. They can make a safe cave. Okay, we're going to turn the page, turning the page. All right, over here, finger under the first word, Jane and Kate wake up late. The sun is not up yet. Kate and Jane can gaze up. Jane can see a big tan box. Kate can see it too. There's our other new sight word there in yellow. Can Jane make a fun game? Good. Turn the page. Okay, last page. Let's sound out that first word. Put your finger under the first word there. That starts with a Y. Yes. Yes. Jane an, up, on it. Up, hop, hop, on it. Ate. Jane made up a fun game. The end. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to the beginning of the book, and it's going to be your turn. Okay, you're going to try reading the words all by yourself without me helping you. I will turn the pages, but if I'm going too fast, you can always pause the video. Okay, friends, we're back at the beginning, the first page of the story. So put your finger under the first word right over here. I'll sound out the first word with you, and then you're just going to keep going, okay? Ache. Okay, guys, good job reading today. So we're going to be using this book throughout the week and reading every day. All right, bye, friends. Miss you.